Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Nurses Ladder. Today, I came up with a special topic specifically for all the nursing students. So, in this video, I'm going to make you understand how to manage your time effectively during university exam for all the subjects in nursing. This is the strategy or the way I used to manage time when I was a student. So this is my own time management strategy which I used to apply when I used to write each and every theory exams in nursing. So let's start the video. In this session, I divided the total points into 5 different categories. So let's see each one of them. First one is type of question, next number of questions, next marks for each question, total marks for each question type, and time taken to complete the questions. Okay, so if you see almost all of the university exams, the total marks will be that of 75 marks, and the time taken would be usually the time that will be scheduled for each and every exam would be 3 hours. Then in minutes, if you say, it would be 180 minutes. So if you see the type of question, there are 3 different type of questions. First one would be long essay, that is a main essay. Second one would be short essay, and the third one would be short answers. So if you see the long essays, the number of long essays would be that of 2. The marks for each question would be that of 10, that is 10 mark for one essay question. So the total mark for long essay would be 20 marks. That means 10 mark for one question and that of 2 questions would be 20 marks. So here, as I said before, how can you plan to write or complete a long essay? So I made it in this way. So if you take 25 minutes, that is out of 3 hours or 180 minutes, you will take 25 minutes to answer one question. And therefore, in order to complete 2 long essays, you can take up to 50 minutes. I will not say 1 hour. It will be about 50 minutes. That is 25 minutes for one question. So for 2 questions, it would be 50 minutes. The second question category would be short essay. So for short essays, if you see the total number of short essays would be 7. So if you take 7 short essays, the mark for each short essay or one short essay would be 5 marks. So the total marks for short essays would be 35 marks. So how you are going to manage your time for completing a short essay? So you can take maximum of 13 minutes. Okay, 13 minutes you can take maximum, and that 13 minutes will be for one short essay. So for 7 short essays, 30 minutes each, if you calculate, it will be 91 minutes. Okay, so you can calculate around 90 minutes. That is 1.5 hours. By that you are supposed to complete your total number of 7 number of short essays. The third category would be short answers. So if you see the number of short answers, that would be around 10. Okay, 10 short answers. And the mark for each short answer would be 2 marks. Okay, so if you take the total marks for short answers, then it would be 20 marks. So how are you planning to complete your short answers? So I have made it in this way, that is the time taken to complete short answers would be 2 minutes. You will take only 2 minutes to complete one short answer. Here you have 10 short answers. So maximum you can take up to 20 minutes. So overall, to complete the 3 category of questions as a whole, you will take 161 minutes. That means around 160 minutes. If you take 160 minutes to complete all of these questions, total you have 180 minutes. So if you will be able to complete all the questions, if you will be able to complete all the questions, you are able to complete it within 161 minutes or 160 minutes, then you will have another 20 minutes to check your answers for any errors, or if some of the answer is incomplete or you are not much satisfied with the answer which you have written, you can provide some space below, so that this 20 minutes you can utilize for completing that particular answer. So that's why I made it in this way. The last 20 minutes you can utilize it for completing the incomplete answers, or even you can read the answers during this particular time. As well as you can also check your registration number, your basic data or details which you have entered. Okay, all of the answers are correctly marked or not. Okay, so whether you have written the answers in the correct section, because a long essay usually would be in section B, short essay would be that of session C, and the short answers would be that of session A. So it may vary. Okay, many universities will have long essay as section 1 or section A, short essay as section B, and short answer as section C. So it depends on each and every university. There will be slight differences between each and every universities. So I cannot say a accurate category. But even all of these points could be checked during that 20 minutes. So if you are able to effectively manage the time, like you are able to complete within 160 minutes, then another 20 minutes will be very useful for you in order to complete the full questions and answers. So it's going to be very effective. Once you apply and see, you will understand how much it has an impact on your marks as well as your overall satisfaction as soon as you complete your written exam. So this is all about today's video, my dear friends. I hope this is going to be useful for you all. That's for today. Thanks for watching, and if at all you are a new viewer and you have not watched any of my videos before, you can check out other videos. Even I have listed down the playlist. That is a different section. You can check out the playlist for different categories of videos which I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in subscribing to my channel, you can better subscribe the channel, as well as you can press the bell icon for getting notifications when I upload a new video. And if at all, if you like this video, please press the like button. And also you can share with your family as well as friends. So that's for today. Take care and bye-bye.